Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how you can create transparent text effect with the video. Let's start from the scratch. Go to Canva homepage, click on videos, select videos, go to elements, right here grunge, choose whatever you want. I like this one, adjust it up to this. Now click on text and add a text box over there. Right here, happy, expand, change the color to white. Now change the font, Archivo black. Download this page not as a MP4 but as a PNG. Select PNG, slightly increase the size up to 1.125 and download. Now write here sad, expand, and similarly download it as an PNG. Slightly increase the size and download. Now upload these two images, happy and sad. Open, expand to the maximum. Like this. Now the select other one, sad. Before applying this, select this image and remove background. Similarly, remove the background of this image. Place over there, expand to whole canvas. Like this. Now go to elements, Search over there any video. I selected this. Now put it back. Click on show timings. Adjust it. Now you can play it and see the magic. Hope you will like the video. If you like the video, then please subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Thank you. We will meet in the next video with a new topic.